Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q5 fuel pump. Before starting, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery, specifically the negative terminal, at least 1 hour prior to beginning work. This helps prevent electrical hazards. Next, it is crucial to relieve any residual pressure in the fuel system. Always work in a well-ventilated space, and keep any potential ignition sources far away from the work area to ensure a safe repair. To access the fuel pump, begin by removing the rear seat bottom cushion. This usually involves a firm upward pull to release its clips. Once the seat is out, you will find an access panel on the floor, typically secured by several screws. Remove these fasteners carefully. Before proceeding, it is essential to thoroughly clean any dirt or debris from around the fuel pump module to prevent contamination of the fuel tank. With the area clean, you can now disconnect the fuel pump. First, carefully unclip all electrical connectors from the top of the pump module. Next, use appropriate fuel line disconnect tools to safely detach the fuel supply and return lines. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to escape. Finally, use a fuel pump locking ring tool or large channel lock pliers to loosen the large plastic locking ring by turning it counterclockwise until it can be removed. Now, install your new fuel pump. Ensure you use a fresh rubber gasket to create a proper seal. Carefully lower the new pump into the tank, aligning it correctly, and then tighten the locking ring clockwise. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, ensuring they click into place. Before starting the engine, cycle the ignition a few times to prime the fuel system. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.